Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Last class we discussed the soils of India. Today let's discuss the lakes of India. With the help of this map, I will show you the three different lakes of India, that is saline water lakes, freshwater lakes and artificial lakes. First let's see the saline water lakes in India. First one, Chilka. Chilka is a saline water lake and it is the largest saline water lake in India, and also it is the largest lake among all Indian lakes. Here I have marked as a red circle, that is saline water lake, and you can see blue circle, that is freshwater lake, and green square is artificial lake. And Chilka is situated in Odisha and it is in river Mahanadi. Now come to Andhra Pradesh. Here is a lake, that is Pulicat Lake. Pulicat Lake is situated at border between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, and 90% of lake is in Andhra Pradesh and only 10% is in Tamil Nadu. And Pulicat Lake is the second largest saline water lake in India. Barrier island of Sriharikota separates this Pulicat Lake from Bay of Bengal. Satish Dhawan Space Center also situated near Pulicat Lake. And come to Tamil Nadu, you can see a famous lake, Kaliveli, that is also a saline water lake. Next come to Kerala. Here you can see two saltwater lakes. One is Ashtamudi. Ashtamudi, the meaning is 8 lakes. And here you can see Vembanad Lake. Vembanad Lake is the largest lake in Kerala and it is the longest lake in India. Largest lake in India is Chilka, but longest lake is Vembanad. Next come to Maharashtra. Here also you can see a saline water lake, that is Lonar Lake. Come to Rajasthan. Rajasthan, you can see two saltwater lakes. One is Pachpatra and another one is Sambar. Pachpatra, Sambar, both are saline water lakes situated in Rajasthan, and Sambar Lake is the saltiest lake in India. That means it contains the more salty water comparing to other lakes. One more saline water lake is there in Jammu Kashmir, that is one more saline water lake is there, that is situated in Jammu Kashmir. Its name is Pangjongso. Pangjongso Lake is in Jammu Kashmir and it is also a salty water lake. Now let's discuss the freshwater lakes of India. First let's start with the Ular Lake. Ular Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India and it is situated in Jammu Kashmir, and near to that you can see another freshwater lake, that is Dal Lake. Both these lakes are situated in Jammu Kashmir. Come to Himachal Pradesh, you can see 4 freshwater lakes, and the uppermost one is, that means the northernmost is Surajtal. Below that you can see, just below that you can see another freshwater lake, that is Chandratal, and southern side you can see Lake Renuka, and Western side, Khajjar Lake. Western side, you can see this one is Khajjar Lake, and lowermost one is Renuka Lake. Renuka Lake is the largest lake in Himachal Pradesh. Now come to Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, the famous lake is Roopkund. Roopkund is otherwise known as Skeleton Lake because many skeletons are discovered from the Roopkund Lake. Next one is Bhimtal Lake and Sattal Lake. Bhimtal Lake, here you can see the eastern side it is Bhimtal Lake and western side it is Sattal Lake. This one is Sattal and this one is Bhimtal. So Sattal, Bhimtal and Roopkund are the freshwater lakes situated in Uttarakhand. Now come to Sikkim. Here also you can see two freshwater lakes. First one is the western side you can see Kechio Palri, and this one that is eastern side you can see Sangmo Lake. This is Sangmo Lake. Next come to Bihar. Here also you can see a freshwater lake, that is Kanwar Lake. Kanwar Lake is also an oxbow lake. Oxbow lake means it is a curved lake. Next come to Manipur. Here you can see Loktak Lake, and Loktak Lake is the largest lake in Northeast India. Next come to Andhra Pradesh. Here you can see one freshwater lake, that is Kolleru, and Kolleru Lake is the second largest freshwater lake in India, and it is situated between the deltas of Krishna and Godavari. Then come to Kerala. Here you can see one freshwater lake, that is Shastamkota. And Shastamkota is the largest freshwater lake in Kerala, and Kolleru is the largest freshwater lake in Andhra Pradesh. That's all about the freshwater lake. Now let's study the artificial lakes in India. First, start with Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar Lake in Uttar Pradesh. Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar Lake is the largest artificial lake in India, and it is situated in Uttar Pradesh, and it is in Rihand River. Next you can see in Madhya Pradesh we have an important reservoir. Artificial lake is otherwise called as reservoir, that is known as Indira Sagar, and Indira Sagar is in Madhya Pradesh and it is in Narmada River. In Gujarat also you can see Sardar Sarovar Lake, that means Sardar Sarovar Reservoir, that is in river Narmada. Both these lakes are in river Narmada, Sardar Sarovar and Indira Sagar. But Indira Sagar is in Madhya Pradesh and Sardar Sarovar is in Gujarat. Next come to Rajasthan. Here also we have an artificial lake, that is Debar Lake. Debar Lake is in river Gomti. Then we have another artificial lake, that is Govind Sagar. Govind Sagar Lake is in Himachal Pradesh and it is situated in river Satluj. So Govind Sagar Reservoir is in Himachal Pradesh and it is in river Satluj, But Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar is in Uttar Pradesh and it is in Rihand River. Then come to Maharashtra. Here you can see an artificial lake, that is Shivasagar. Shivasagar is in Maharashtra and it is in river Koyna. Now come to Telangana. Telangana, you can see 3 artificial lakes. The uppermost one is Hussain Sagar. Below Hussain Sagar, you can see another reservoir, that is Himayat Sagar. And to the western side, you can see Osman Sagar. So the uppermost one is Hussain Sagar. Just below that, you can see Himayat Sagar. And to the western side, you can see Osman Sagar. So we completed the artificial lakes also. Now I will tell you some points about lakes of India. First, let's see the classification of lakes. It is classified broadly into natural lakes and artificial lakes. Artificial lake is otherwise known as man-made lake, and natural lakes, they are again classified into saline lakes and freshwater lakes. Lake is the definition of lake. Lake is a natural depression filled with water. Largest lake in India is Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is the largest lake in India and also largest saltwater lake in India. And it is in Odisha. It is in Mahanadi. Named as destination flyways by World Tourism Organization. The largest freshwater lake in India is Ular Lake. It is otherwise known as Mahapadmasaras and it is in Jammu Kashmir. The saltiest lake in India is Sambar Lake. It is in Rajasthan. Highest lake in India is Solangmo Lake. Solamo Lake in Sikkim. It is also known as Cholamu Lake. Largest freshwater lake in South India is Kolleru. That is in Andhra Pradesh. It is between deltas of Krishna and Godavari. Largest artificial lake in India is Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar. Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar is artificial lake, largest artificial lake in India. It is in Uttar Pradesh and it is in Rihand Dam. That river's name is also Rihand. It is in Rihand River. The dam's name also Rihand. The largest freshwater lake of Northeast India, Loktak Lake. It is known as Floating Islands Lake because we can see floating islands named Fundis there. So, it is known as Floating Islands Lake. Cable Lamjao National Park. Cable Lamjao National Park is situated in Loktak Lake and this is the world's only floating national park. Dal Lake is known for Shikara. Shikara is famous houseboats in Jammu and Kashmir and Dal Lake is famous for Shikaras. It is known as Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir. Dal Lake is known as Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir. And Kanwar Lake. Kanwar Lake is largest oxbow lake in India, situated in Bihar. It is formed due to the meandering of Gandak River. Meandering means it is flowing zigzag like that. It is not flowing straight. So, it is forming as a oxbow lake. Lonar Crater Lake. Lonar Crater Lake is located at Buldana district of Maharashtra and formed by a meteor hitting. Meteor means a part of rock or metal and it burned in the sky and it produces light. that is meteor. And this Lonar Lake is formed by a meteor hitting. Formed by hitting a meteor. Next one is Nagarjuna Sagar, largest man-made lake in South India. This is largest artificial lake in South India. It is in Andhra Pradesh. Next is Pichola Lake. Pichola Lake is artificial freshwater lake in Udaipur city near Jagmandir. Next is Pushkar Lake, sacred lake in Ajmer district of Rajasthan, fed by river Luni. Gobind Sagar, artificial lake formed by Bakra Dam. This is Govind Sagar. This is not Govind Vallabhan Sagar. That is different. This is Gobind Sagar. This is formed by Bakra Dam in Satluj River. Roopkund, situated in Uttarakhand and known as Skeletal Lake. Nal Sarovar, lake in Gujarat, where largest number of migratory birds are seen. Naki Lake, the bowl-shaped lake situated in the Aravalli range. Next one is Hussain Sagar Lake. It separates Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Hussain Sagar Lake. Gautam Buddha's monolithic statue is situated in middle of Hussain Sagar Lake. It is fed by river Musi. Hussain Sagar Lake is fed by river Musi. Pulicat Lake, second largest brackish water lake on the Coromandel coast. Pulicat Lake is the second largest brackish water lake. Brackish water lake is nothing but saline water lake. It means its salinity will be less than the sea water, but the salinity will be more than the fresh water. That is called brackish water. Lies on the border of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Pulicat Lake is on the border of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, but most part of this lake is situated in Andhra Pradesh only. Bernard Island is on this lake. Next one is Dumbur Lake, situated in Tripura. Keradweep is situated on this lake. So Dumbur Lake is situated in Tripura and Keradweep, known as Coconut Island, is situated on this lake. Now I have completed all the important points about lakes of India. So if you understood the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.